Yo, what's up? It's your boy Jeremy Cash. Wanted to put y'all on game on how to make this easy PayPal money. It's free. Free. Don't get no better than that, okay? Now, I started this company back when it first started. I didn't promote it a lot. I promoted a little bit and I did get paid from it. So I just wanted to bring this to you guys again in case you guys didn't, know anything about it. The name of this is called Earn Easy Commissions. And basically this system is just an online system that you can get paid per lead, as well as, other ways to get paid on the back end. But right now we're just going to talk about the free section. Okay. So once you click the link below this video, all you would have to do is come to this page. You'll register for free. All right. You'll put your name here, your real email, because they will send you a email. It says Gmail only. So if you don't have a Gmail, you need to create one. Create you a username, password, and click create account. Then they should send you an email. Okay. Once you get that email, you can click that email and then it should have you log in. All right. That's pretty much it. Now, after you do that, I will receive $1. That's simple as that, right? That's as simple as it is. Okay. Now, that's how you will get paid as well. Okay. So when people, sign up to this for free, and they confirm their email, you get $1. Okay. So you get $1 per lead. Now, just to show you proof, they have this on their website. You can see this, once you scroll down, but this is just showing you all of the payments that they have paid out. It's 100% legit. This company's lit. They do pay out, so I'm not going to lie about that. All right. Now, this ain't a get rich quick scheme or nothing. I ain't saying you can make $1 million overnight, but you can make some good money with this. And this portion is free. Now, they do have paid, portions as well. Now, I will tell you guys something. Once you log in and stuff like that, here's the steps you can go through. If you want to, advance in the company and upgrade and all that, then, you might want to look through these and see what else they have to offer. But for the most part, once you log in, you'll just have your referral link right here. You can immediately get this and start promoting. Honestly, I probably wouldn't, I don't know if Facebook will allow you to actually promote these in the group, but you can try it. But if I was you, I would create like a capture page or something first, and then, bring them to the offer. But, that's just kind of how I would do it. But like I said, they have a comment section so you can kind of see, how people have been doing in the company. But then there is a catch, okay? There is a catch to this. And I'm going to go over the catch right now. So in order for you to actually see your leads come in, and this is why I said probably get yourself a capture page so you can actually see your leads come in. But in order to actually, get paid on this, you have to have at least $20 to cash out. Okay, so you need at least 20 people because you get paid $1 per person. So you need at least 20 people to cash out. But the catch is, in order for you to actually see your leads in this system, you will have to upgrade to the $100 pro level. I'm not even on that level, guys. I've never upgraded. Not saying that I will in the future, but I don't really promote this as much. But like I said, this is something easy and free. If you want to upgrade just to see that, or you can, not upgrade and just use it and just kind of count your leads as they come in and just make sure that they confirm their email and things like that. And it'll kind of give you guys a list of things that they need to do, to be considered a lead or whatever. And so I think if you go to how everything works, or maybe the success formula, let me click on some of these and see. Then it'll kind of show you the steps that they need to do to make sure that they are considered. No, that's pro membership. That's if you want to upgrade to that. I'm trying to find out. As you can see, I haven't used the system that much at all, so I don't really know where everything is. But let's see. Well, I don't really know. You guys can go through here and you'll be able to find it. I don't want to take too much time on that. But yeah, so it's free. Like I said, you can sign up. Once you hit your 20 leads, then you get sent $20. You can go above that. Of course, you can get as many leads as you want to. One thing they just say is don't send BS traffic. Send good traffic like Facebook and people who are actually interested and things like that. And then, yeah, so this is a free way, like I said, guys, to make some good money. Now, as you guys can see, this is my, my page, my YouTube, okay? And, down below in the description, I do have, what I do full time. to make, you know, around what I got right now is around $76,000 now. Trying to hit the 6-figure mark with this year. And I got like, you know, a month left. But this right here, if you go to the link in the description below, this is not this. This is actually another link that I will have under there. But this is my #1 recommended way. This isn't free, but you guys are more than welcome to click here. This is how I make, you know, close to 6 figures just with this. Okay. I've been in this company for probably about 4 or 5 years now. And so you guys can check that out. Also, my number is in the description below the video, guys. So you can always text me, email me, or whatever it is. If you guys have any questions, guys, because lately I've been I got a couple of video ideas, but I haven't really, you know, thought about them, you know, all the way through. So if you guys have any video ideas that you want to see, because I really want to do videos for you guys that's going to help you. So if you have any videos that you actually want to see, or you have, you know, concerns about, let me know, and I'll be sure to make those. Also, I just dropped a new vlog on my family vlog channel, and that will be in the description as well. It was a Halloween vlog, so you guys feel free to go check that out, and go subscribe over there if you already haven't. All right, this is kind of just, you know, my day in the life. The page looks like this, has 16,000 subs on it. Yeah, you feel free to just go check that out. You know, check out the new vlog that I just dropped right here for Halloween. And just feel free to check out some of the other videos that I got on here. Like I said, this is kind of, you know, just a little bit of day-to-day life stuff, with me and my family, kids, and stuff like that. So you can kind of see a little bit more of my personality in these videos than these, you know, business type videos. But yeah, so that's what it is, guys. Like I said, this is free, easy PayPal money right here, guys. You can get paid, like I said, a lot from this. If this is something you're interested in, go ahead and click the link below as well. And if you are interested in, you know, what makes me, you know, like I said, close to 6 figures a year, then you can click the link below that says my #1 recommended way to make money online, guys. But for other than that, if you're short for cash and that's all you don't have any money right now to spare, great. Just go ahead and give this a shot. It's worth a shot. Like I said, you just have to keep up with your leads. Once you hit the $20, they'll cash you out through PayPal. But if you want to see your leads, you will have to upgrade on this system. I'm not part of the upgrade, just to let you guys know again. But other than that, man, if there's anything else you guys need, comment below. Make sure you start engaging with the video so I can kind of know where to direct my energy as far as what videos to put out. All right, guys. Well, I will see you guys later, and peace out.